Naming an app isn't just about choosing something catchy. Apps live in a crowded digital ecosystem where thousands of new ones are launched daily. Your app's name needs to stand out, build trust, and convey its purpose instantly. Today, let's discuss the unique challenges of naming an app and the hidden opportunities that can make your name unforgettable. One major challenge is balancing clarity with creativity. Your name should hint at what the app does, but also be memorable enough to spark curiosity. Take Calm, the popular meditation app. It's short, evocative, and clearly conveys relaxation without overcomplicating things. But what if your app combines different features? This is where hybrid names shine. Instacart is a great example. Instant and cart blend perfectly to describe quick grocery delivery. Hybrid names work particularly well for apps that merge different services into one, offering clarity and intrigue. Another challenge, standing out in app stores. Unlike traditional businesses, apps need to perform well in search-dominated environments. This is where App Store Optimization, ASO, becomes critical. When naming your app, consider keywords that potential users might search for. Headspace does this brilliantly. While the name reflects a calming mental state, it also hints at meditation and wellness, helping it rank higher for related searches. Then there's global accessibility. Apps have the potential for worldwide reach, so a name that resonates across different languages and cultures is crucial. Spotify is an ideal example. It's a made-up word that sounds friendly and universal and avoids negative connotations in other languages. Made-up names can be a safer choice for global markets because they sidestep cultural sensitivities and misinterpretations. Plus, they're easier to trademark and establish a distinct brand identity. Keeping it short is another unique challenge. Unlike websites or physical products, app names work best when they're quick to type and say. Names like Lyft, TikTok, and Calm are short, memorable, and easy to fit in limited space on a phone screen. If a name is long or complex, users are less likely to remember it or recommend it to others. Now let's explore the opportunities. Emotionally resonant names have a significant advantage in the app world. Apps are tools, but they're also experiences that users interact with daily. The name Robin Hood, for example, suggests a mission of empowerment, appealing to users with its friendly, values-driven tone. By evoking a feeling or atmosphere, you help users associate your app with a positive experience, increasing their attachment to it. Finally, branding flexibility. With an app, you have the freedom to build a unique identity beyond the name itself through visuals, interface, and interactions. Look at Duolingo. Although the name implies language learning, the app's gamified and fun design has created an experience that goes beyond its original purpose, building a loyal community in the process. If you're ready to find the perfect name for your app, visit domaindragon.com for premium domain options and expert naming advice. A great name is the first step in making your app an essential part of users' lives.